Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to fix the problem of transparent or PNG export issue, because most time when you export your PNG file, you expect a transparent background, but it always come up with maybe white background or another color background. How can you fix this problem? We're going to take a look at this particular file right here to fix the problem, and you get your file in fully transparent PNG file format from Photoshop. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to take into consideration when you are done with everything, maybe image or mockup, and you want to get the file in fully transparent or even logo, make sure the background here is not visible. Make sure you disable background. When you disable the background layer, then you want to make sure you go to file right here. You can simply click on save a copy, and then you try to come here and choose your PNG format. Then you choose your file destination. I save it in desktop and I hit on save right here. Then I hit on OK, just like so. So let's go ahead and confirm from my desktop. So here we go. You have it right here, successfully saved. The same way you do this is the same way you can do it for export. Let's go ahead and try for export. So you go back to file, export as right here, or better still, export for web legacy. Anyone, you are good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on export as. Then here you go. You have the background which is transparent right here, and you come here and make sure you choose PNG right here, just like so. So if you choose JPEG, you're going to have a background right here, which is why some people are getting it wrong. So go ahead and switch back to PNG right here. Once you choose PNG, you can as well compress the file size, choose smaller file size. It's not going to affect the quality of the file. Once you are done, then you can check on the details right there, scroll down. If you want to add a copyright, you can add a copyright, convert to RGB, embedded color profile as the case may be. Then go ahead and make sure you click on export right here. Then choose your file destination. I'm going to make this 2. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on save, just like so. So let's go ahead and confirm. So we have it right here as well. So this is a pure transparent background export without any stress. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.